Welcome to our advanced module on developing your passion project. We'll explore how to transform your interest into a project that not only enriches your life, but also stands out in college applications. Learn about identifying your passion, setting project goals, executing your plan, and leveraging your project for admissions success. This module includes actionable steps and downloadable resources to guide you through the process. Let's explore this game changer. First, why should you care about a passion project? It demonstrates authenticity. Colleges want to see who you are beyond grades and test scores. A passion project shows your true interests and commitment. Leadership and initiative open up opportunities. It demonstrates your ability to start and manage something from scratch, showcasing leadership and problem-solving skills. There's also the direct impact. Projects with tangible outcomes or community impact stand out. They show you're not just a participant in life, but a creator. A good starting point would be to identify your passion. For this, you can begin with introspection. Taking a self-assessment would really help. This can uncover what you're passionate about. It could be anything from environmental issues to coding. It does require some market research. Is there a need or a community where your passion can make a difference? Look for gaps or opportunities. We've prepared a passion project brainstorming worksheet to help you map out your interests and potential projects. Next step is setting your project goals. Once you've chosen your passion, use the SMART framework we discussed earlier in the goal setting module. What specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals can you set for your project? Develop your impact statement. What change do you want to see? This could be personal growth, community benefit, or raising awareness. Access our Project Goals Planner to outline your project's objectives and milestones. We have now arrived at the plan execution stage. Now, how do you actually plan to do this? Break down your project into manageable tasks. What resources do you need? Who can help? Create a timeline. When will each part of your project be completed? Identify any skills you need to learn or improve to execute your project effectively. Use our action plan template to organize your tasks, deadlines, and learning goals. Your project needs to be seen. Document your journey with photos, videos, blogs, or journals, just like a portfolio. This not only tracks progress, but also shows your dedication. Work on your presentation skills. Learn to articulate your project's purpose, process, and results. This could be through a website, slide deck, or even a video pitch. Our project showcase guide gives you tips on how to present your project to colleges. Leverage your project for admissions. Here's where your project truly pays off. Use your project as a narrative in your college essays to show growth, impact, or your unique qualities. During interviews, be ready to discuss your project in detail, showing how it aligns with your academic and career goals. It can help with securing letters of recommendation. Share your project with teachers or mentors who can speak to your involvement and growth. The admission strategy worksheet helps you weave your project into your application strategy. Remember, a passion project isn't just for college, it's for life. It shows you're proactive, creative, and capable of making a difference. Here's what you could do next. Start with the brainstorming worksheet to identify your passion. Set your project goals with our planner. Use our action plan template to organize your steps. Document and present your project as advised in our guide. Strategize how to highlight this in your college applications. In our next module, we'll discuss how to navigate the complexities of college interviews. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing the incredible projects you'll undertake.